Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional-looking stories for your food brand or business. If you are starting a food Facebook ID and want to create a story for those pages, then this video is for you. When creating a Facebook account in Canva, you can modify ready-made templates that are designed by professionals and creatives. So, without delay, create your account in Canva, and after creating your account, go to the search bar and type Food Facebook Story. Just type it in the search bar and you will get Canva templates that are editable so you can make your own. Go to the See All option and scroll down. Whichever one you like, just customize that with your own branding and elements. Maybe this one looks good. I will choose this one. And this one is free. Some are paid, some are free. But don't worry, you'll find lots of options. Just explore, and after picking a template, go to Customize this template and personalize it however you like. Now I'm able to customize whatever I want. For example, maybe I want to play with the text. I will just click on it and the features and tools will appear. So I can change the font. Just choose a font, whichever you like, and this one is for resizing. This is for changing color. This one is for bold, italic, underline, strike through. And this is for uppercase, lowercase, alignment, making lists, and bullet points. This one is for letter spacing and line spacing. This one is for the transparency effect. If you want to add effects, or if you want to make your text curve, then it is available right here. I will remove it. For animation, if you want to add it, this one is for repositioning your text, and that was all about text. You can do whatever you like with text. And now, let's move to images. So if you want to add your own images, just go to Upload, select files from your PC or computer, upload them, and your image will appear here. For example, I'm going to replace with maybe this one. Like this. Just drag and drop. You can just drag and drop and adjust your image as well. And like this, you can replace it here. Also, just type to add your website. Like this, you can add and also add images from the Elements, Canva Library, Canva Source for food, maybe a pizza,